Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing a Maine Coon Cat from, it's just a Maine Coon Cat that I'm going to be drawing, and yeah, I just drew one. It's quite good. And so yeah, I'm going to be drawing one today. So yeah, we're going to be starting with the eye, and we can have it like about in the middle of the paper. And also, if you're wondering, I cannot add the same music in my videos because I'm gonna get copyrighted. So yeah, just don't expect the same music. So I'm gonna have a mark right there, or we can have like it right here. That looks kind of weird. So I'm gonna erase that one. So I'm gonna have this coming like, it just like, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just gonna make that a little better. Have that right there. And so now we can have his eye. It's like really sharp, like that. And so yeah, we can have like just some details around there. And yeah, that's the first eye, and we can go to the second one now. So yeah, now I'm just gonna have, so the second one is gonna be like, kind of like right here. It's gonna be like, so we're gonna have a line there, and I think that's too small. So I'm gonna have, I forgot, I have an eraser right here, so I'm gonna have, like that, but it's too low, I need to fix that. I'm gonna have, but it's like, okay, that should be fine. And so I'm gonna have color that in, and that, and we can have the eye like that. Alright, so we have both of those eyes, and so yeah, we have that. And so now I'm going to have a line that's going to come down from the eye, right here, and like this is just gonna come down like that. Maybe I'm gonna have to like, I'm gonna straighten this one up a little bit, like something like that. And so now I'm just going to have, so yeah, make sure these aren't drawn too hard. And so I'm gonna have his nose like right here, the cat's nose right here. And yeah, the nostrils are gonna be kind of on the side right there, but you're not gonna see them that well. So now I'm just going to have, we can have some fur like coming up like in the middle too. Okay, so yeah, we've got that. The only thing is I need a shorter, this is too far down. It needs to be like that, more like so. Just a little more like that. And so yeah, just like that. I'm gonna have, that's gonna go up right there. And so yeah, now I'm gonna have like, basically we're gonna have his, so I'm gonna have a line. So now we're gonna have some fur like around the eyes, like I can have like some stuff coming up right here, and so it's just gonna come around like that. So just gonna come up over here, and there's some eyelids right like below here too. And so yeah, it's basically some of the face. And so yeah, now I am just going to have like the surrounding parts like right there. So yes, like the front of his mouth, and have this coming in, and it's just gonna come out. And just like something like that. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, we're messing up way too much. I'm gonna have the line coming out from here, and this is where the sides of his face will be. And so just like that. On this side. It's gonna be like, I don't know what it is about this picture. So I'm gonna have that like that. And so now I'm just going to have his jaw like right here. Like that. Yeah, I think I know that. It's just like, it shouldn't be like a square or something. So yeah, just hold it like that. And so I'm gonna have dots right here. And these are for the whiskers. And so make sure when you're drawing the whiskers that they're like very thin lines. Make sure that they're not thick at all. And make sure that you don't draw them too short. So I'm gonna have some dots right there. And so now I'm going to have whisker. So use the sharp side of your pencil, or you can sharpen your pencil if you want. I'm gonna use the sharp side. And so I'm gonna have whiskers. And make sure you don't draw them too jagged or anything. Right, so I'm gonna have like more. So yeah, I'm gonna have some whiskers like that. Or a little longer, because that's have longer whiskers, but like just something like that. And the longer ones. Just something like that. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. But so yeah, we're gonna have something like that. And yeah. Now, yeah, I'm gonna have like around the face and stuff now. So now I'm just going to like have his ear placements and stuff like. So I'm gonna have a line right here. So this is just gonna be some fur like coming out from there. Same for this side. No, what was that? So yeah, just like that. Okay, so yeah, just like that. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna extend these parts up a little bit because they're too small. And so yeah, we've got like that, the sides right there. And so now I'm gonna have like fur right over here. And so I'm gonna have it coming up like, and so like right like that. And so yeah, now I'm gonna have his ear. So it's gonna be like this. So the cat's ear is gonna be like right here. I'm pretty sure it's kind of big. So yeah, so it's gonna be like that. I need to, where's that? So yeah, that's the first cat's ear and the first ear. And so I'm gonna have lines around it. And there's especially some hair in here too. And so, yeah, a little like that. I don't know why this video's taking a little long, because I don't usually draw animals, so yeah, that's why it's taking a little long. Yeah, because like one of the reasons why I wanted to try an animal is because like I don't have things to draw anymore. I'll go back to drawing like Godzilla like when 2027 comes out, like the new Godzilla movie. But like for now, YouTube keeps taking my views back. Like, it just won't work anymore for Godzilla. So yeah, I'm gonna have a line right here, and just coming up like that. And we can also have, yeah, I think it's supposed to be right here. So I'm gonna have an ear. I think it's too small. Well, it's fine. So I'm gonna have that coming right here. Like that. So yeah, that's like basically some of the cat's head. And yeah. And so now I'm just going to have these lines across here, and of course like just some hair in it too. Or I don't know why I said hair, I'm in fur. I had like no sleep last night, so I'm just saying different stuff. So yeah, like that. And we can, yeah, just like that. And now, so we're done with like most of like around the face, and I'm gonna have some fur. So now it's basically the fur part where you just like draw like all of this like surrounding the cat. So I'm gonna have like, it's like some fur starting like right there. And yeah, we can extend this part and like just make like fur coming like, well, yeah, don't do it like how I just did. Just instead like, yeah, I messed up on this part quite some. So like, yeah, it's just like I'm not doing that well right now. Yeah, I kept messing up on this when I just drew it yesterday, so yeah, I kept messing up. I'm continuing that today. Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of wide right here. Like, kind of wide. And then it's supposed to get like skinnier over here. Just a little more like that. And yeah, I don't have my other picture with me, so I can't remember how I drew this bird. Alright, so yeah, that thing goes down over there. And we can just have this other side. That's like, just like a bunch of fur from this thing. Yeah, if you also watch my other videos, I do also have a cat but it's not a Maine Coon, so yeah, my cat used to come up in my videos, but my cat's blind now, so that's not gonna happen anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fur right here, and so yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. All right, yeah, this feels kind of weird making a cat video for some reason. I feel like I shouldn't have had this much whiskers, but cats do have this much, but I don't know why, but yeah, we can have just hair, just fur everywhere. And so it's gonna be here and there. And so yeah, we're done with basically all of this stuff. And so yeah, the last thing is oh, I think it's just gonna die. So I'm gonna have, wait, no. So just like that. And so now, yeah, we're done with the fur and all, most of the stuff around his head, the cat's head, and I'm gonna have just a little bit right here, and there's some hair right here on his ears too. Just something like that. And so yeah, I was actually, I never thought I'd say this, but I actually was planning to draw animals over a year ago, but I just never did do it for some reason. But I was planning to draw animals for I was planning to do that over a year ago, but I just never did do it. So that's gonna go down there. And wait a minute. So I have it coming right here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. And so yeah, I'm gonna have the front of him is gonna be right here. And we can finish this picture off now. So yeah, I think that might be it, but I feel that I don't like this part because it's I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have this coming out more over here, but staying in right there. And yeah, that is how to draw a Maine Coon cat. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.